Yes, today we're using Pop Rocks, everyone's favorite candy, to create both a mocktail and a cocktail. But first, we have to do some fancy napkin folding that's sure to impress your Valentine.
Our expert taste testers agree. Fruit by the foot is the absolute best thing you can choose to rim a cocktail glass because it maximizes the amount of candy that you can have on the rim. Now, how can that be a bad thing? Pop Rock's mocktail. So good.
And now the cocktail.
This mixture comes together so nicely to create something fun and exciting. So make sure to grab a napkin. It could get messy. But show your special someone how much you care with the Pop Rocks cocktail. A special thank you to Pop Rocks. Still poppin' after 40 years. Not many can say that.